Welcome to Learning Time. In this video, we're going to learn past continuous tense, how to form past continuous tense, and then when to use past continuous tense. First of all, look at these sentences. I was studying last night. We were cooking dinner. Both of these sentences are in past continuous tense. Now, how to form past continuous tense? For that, we need past simple verb to be either was or were plus verb infinitive form plus ing. For example, they were walking to school. I was sitting outside. We were cooking dinner. But we need to pay extra attention to verbs ending in an e because they drop their letter e, such as live, close, and wipe. For example, they were closing the window. She was wiping the floor. Please note this verb no longer has the letter E. And we also need to pay extra attention to verbs that has the one syllable ending in a consonant and preceded by a vowel because they double their consonant, such as sit, get, and run. For example, I was sitting outside. They were getting late. So please note these verbs double their consonants. Now how to form past continuous in questions? For that we need past simple verb to be either was or were plus verb infinitive form plus ing. For example, was she playing soccer? Were they cooking dinner? Was it snowing? Now how to form past continuous in negations? Again, for that we need past simple verb to be either was or were and then add not. In contradiction, it will be wasn't or weren't plus verb plus ing. For example, she wasn't sleeping late. I wasn't waiting for you. They weren't studying. Now look at when to use the past continuous tense. We use past continuous tense as temporary activity in the past. For example, it was raining last night. They were watching television at that moment. And we also use past continuous tense as temporary activity in the past interrupted by a short action that is expressed by a past simple. For example, I was watching television when she called. It was raining when the power went out. And we also use the past continuous tense for something that was planned before a certain time in the future. For example, they were going to that concert, but the concert was cancelled.